how to change profile picture on Zoom Cloud Meeting app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the profile picture on Zoom Cloud Meeting app. And here I'm gonna show you the two different method. That is, if you don't, the first method is if you don't have the option to change the profile picture, but also if you want to change the profile picture, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. And also the second thing is like how to change your profile picture by default app. So before we start the video, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. Guys, what you need to do, guys, let me just go to Play Store once and then search for Zoom here. So after searching for Zoom, make sure to update your Zoom. I will always recommend you that just click on update, and then if you have already updated, then it's fine, and if you don't have an updated version, then make sure to update your Zoom Cloud Meeting app. So let me update. So until it's get update, please hit that red color subscribe button and press the right side bell icon, and also give up one thumbs up, that is like, so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos every day. So here guys, you can see here it's on an installing process. I guess it's done. It's depending upon the network. So here you can see it's on an installing process. It will take a few moments to get installed, I mean to get updated, to get the updated version. So let me wait for the update. So guys, it's done. So let me just click on open option here. So if I click to open, this type of interface will pop up, and then here this is my interface. So to change the profile picture, what you need to do here, you have to click on the setting option on the bottom right corner. Simply tap here, and then here you can see this type of interface will pop up. So if you have this type of interface, then it's okay. It's very pretty simple. I will show you. Just tap here, and then here you can see profile picture. Simply click on this profile picture, and then you can see choose profile picture. Simply choose one profile picture. Let me just go for this, and then click on crop photo. If you want to crop it, just click on done option. It's done. So it's very pretty simple if you have this option. Okay, if you have this option. But guys, some of you don't have, I guess you don't have this option, and you can change the profile picture. So for that, I'm gonna show you what you have to do here. So watch the video till the end so that you will be understandable to do that. So let me just show you. So now what you have to do, you have to go to Chrome browser or any of the browser. So after going to this Chrome browser, what you have to do, simply you need to click here ZOOM zoom.us. Okay, so after clicking here, you will find the first option, video conferencing and web conferencing. Simply tap here, and then you will be redirect to this page. Now here guys, what you need to do, you have to simply click on this 3 days or this arrow sign on the top right of your screen. Just click here and click, you have to enable the desktop site. So as you can see here, desktop site, simply tap on this box. So after this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here guys, let me just zoom in little bit. Let me just zoom in. So here on the top right corner, you will find this type of interface, sign in option and sign up option. So if you didn't sign in, just click on sign in option, and then here you can see this is my ID. So let me just click on sign in. You have to register with your ID. So let me just get inside it. So if you sign in with your account, this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do here, you have to zoom in, and then here you can see change option. So guys, what you need to do, simply click on this change option, and then here you can see upload option. Simply click on this upload option. You can see here, simply tap on this upload option, and then you have to click on file option, and then select your profile picture. Let me just go for this, and then you can see it will take a processing time like few minutes. Click on saved, and then here you can see my profile picture has been changed. So guys, it's very pretty simple. I hope this video will absolutely help you out to change the profile picture of your Zoom app. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.